This is the front arch right here. This is one of my new section I create here. There. Let me see if I can go that way for you guys. And now the garden, now the garden is covering me. You guys know I'm not that tall. The garden, the flowers is right there by my head. Oh my gosh. Ah, beautiful. I need to go in the back. This is too much. Look at this wood. It's cooling everywhere. Right here. I still need to come in clean, guys. I still can manage to clean the garden. That's how much. I got so much to do. Look at this. What's moving here? I think I need to come here and blowing some of those leaves here to clean here a little bit. But so far, guys, this is what's here. Still not have a chance to paint this bench. Still not. Oh my gosh. This is that window over there. And one of my bed bath here. Still I don't have time to clean it. Beautiful flowers here. And I make some cording. Look at this. And they alive. Oh my god, I didn't water this section today. That's not gonna be good. Oh my god. I need to bring the hose back. Oh my god, I did not water them. Nope, they're not gonna be happy because it's hot. Why this tomato plant is right here? I need to remove her somewhere else. And I need to clean that flower. One of my beautiful, I need to replace it, put it somewhere else. Because she's getting too much sun over here. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you for another video. Please, if you like what you see, subscribe and like. Have a blessed day.